I like this.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana. So today Beauty Forever Hair sent me over this really pretty Jerry Curly lace frontal wig. So this wig came in 24 inches, you guys, but I did decide to cut some length off of it, okay? Because it was a little awkward length for me, and I don't like my curly hair at an awkward length because of the shape of my face. So I did decide to cut some length off of it. And this is also 150% density wig unit, which I think is extremely full. You guys know I don't review anything but full wig units, and I think that's why you guys appreciate my YouTube channel and appreciate the wigs that I review, because I only review full wigs. So I do want to get into a couple of things with this wig unit. So initially when I put this wig on, I did struggle a little bit to get it to go ear to ear. So I had to stretch it a little bit because you guys could tell that it's definitely ear to ear now, but I did have to stretch the wig unit or the lace to get it to like go ear to ear, because girl, it was not trying to without it being stretched. So I suggest if you guys have a bigger forehead or a bigger head than me, because my head is honestly small, you guys. I have a big forehead, but my head, it's small. So I know I probably did that really weird, but anyways, I definitely suggest you guys go up in your wig cap. If you guys are able to get a large, then get a large. If you guys have a small head, I think that this wig would fit, but you would definitely do some tugging to get it to go ear to ear, or you guys could just wear it as like a closure. If you guys do see the closure link down below, make sure you guys get that instead if you don't have time to be doing the ear to ear whole thing. So I do think that this is a really pretty wig, you guys. I'm really not a fan of Jerry Curly textures. I actually never reviewed Jerry Curly on my YouTube channel before, but I was just like, you know what, let me just try it. I might end up liking it and it might come out cute. So that's why I ended up reviewing it for you guys today. And I really do like the texture, you guys. I definitely think that this is one of those textures that's more of like on the afro side. Check in the description box to see if you guys could get the bundles instead and just wear your natural hair out, because I definitely think that it would match our natural hair texture, especially if you're one of those girls that you know, have one of like the tighter curls going on. I did previously wash and condition this hair. I bleached the knots just to let you guys know. I did pluck it. This hairline came extremely dense. I did that off camera. I used foundation up under my lace. I did that off camera as well, and I also plucked it, if I didn't already say that, because I don't remember. If you guys want to see me like prep my wig, you know, before I put it on and stuff like that, if you guys want a video like that, let me know. I will definitely try to do it for you guys. But other than that, that's pretty much all I have. And let's just go ahead and get into how I installed this wig.
I like this.
You guys, here I've already done my baby hairs and stuff like that. I'm really just trying to situate the hair and see what I want to do with it, because again, this is the first time that I've worn this texture and it is a little bit more than what I am used to. So I want to show you guys the parting space on this wig unit, just in case you guys do want to purchase this wig. I think that is definitely important. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit, you guys, but as you can see, when I part on the side here, it's not really giving me too much of a deep side part. So basically what I'm saying is you're only getting about 1.5 to 2 inches, I would say, on the side, and then you're definitely getting most of that 4-inch parting space here in the middle, which I'm showing you right now. So super important. Just want to let you guys know it before you purchase the wig. Also, I want to say something about the lace. I do think the lace could be a little thinner. I felt like in the crown area, that lace part, I felt like it wasn't really melting into my skin tone as, you know, other lace frontals do. I just think that the lace could be just a little thinner, or maybe I just did something wrong, but I honestly did the same method that I do with any other wig, you guys. But yep, that was it. That's the only thing that I could come and tell you guys about the parting space and the lace. Okay, so there's something about this that I do not like, and I think it is the length. Like, it's an awkward length for me, and I don't like curly hair that is an awkward length for me. So I think that I'm going to cut it like right here. I think this is a better length. So it will probably be like a 20, this is a 24-inch wig, so it will probably be like 20, 22 if I cut it. I think it'll look better. So I'm just gonna snip it.
I like this.
And it's really just snipping off the ends. Comment down below and tell me what you think of this hair texture on me. Again, this is the first time that I've ever tried the Jerry curly texture on my YouTube channel. And honestly, I like the texture. I really do. It's a lot of hair, so if you guys don't know how to maintain curly hair, I definitely do not suggest this to you guys at all. Like, don't buy it because it's a lot of hair. It was very easy for me to wash this hair and condition it. I haven't had any problems with it like shedding or anything like that. The only shedding I did receive is like through plucking it, because I did pluck it. And with tangling, I'm gonna just be completely honest, you guys. If I run my fingers through my hair right now, it's not going to go through. This is a coily texture, you guys, and this is something that you're not going to be able to run your fingers through. So let's just be like completely honest here. Like, you're not going to be able to run your fingers through this. Like, I don't know where y'all get that thing where you can run your fingers straight through curly hair. Girl, where? I have been oiling my hair down with this here, and this is the orchid oil. I've just been using this for all of my hair reviews lately, and yeah. I would give this hair literally 8, and I'm giving it an 8 out of 10 because the frontal, I didn't like that I had to do the most with the frontal and like stretch it. I don't know what's going on with that. But I did lay my baby hairs to where you can't even really tell, but that might be a bit much for you guys, so that's why I'm going to give it an 8. Other than that, I think it's a really pretty texture, you guys. I really do, and I definitely recommend it. It's just that the frontal is just a little too small, but just make sure that you guys are getting it in a large if you can. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _rebianasymone and Rebiana on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.